Animoji got a big update at WWDC with the introduction of Memoji, personalized avatars that you can create right on your iPhone 10. Welcome to AppleInsider, everyone. It is Andrew here, and I have a fresh copy of iOS 12 installed on my iPhone 10. Animoji and the new Memoji are only available on Apple's high-end handset, so anyone running anything other than iPhone 10 is not going to get in on this fun. Now, aside from the Memoji, which is what we're primarily going to look at, I also want to mention a few other new Animoji that we have, including that tiger you saw, the koala that looks super fierce, an even more fierce T-Rex, and a super scary ghost. Apple has been incrementally updating Animoji with new characters, and not only do we have new characters and Memoji, Animoji now are able to capture your tongue with tongue detection and blinking. It is really, really cool and works quite well. Memoji is what we are here to see, and you can see I've created a couple little avatars here already, and they work just like the other Animoji do. They map to your face, your head movements, your eye movements, your tongue, blinking, all of that. You can create short little video clips of you talking along with it where it'll mime, and you can send that up to 30 seconds in length, or you can create it as a sticker and just drag it right into your conversation. The really cool part, though, is all of the customization, and Apple went really, really deep here, making this extremely inclusive, so you can try to make an Animoji as close to you as you want. Or you can get really wild out there, go with yellow skins like an emoji or a Simpsons character, go blue like a Smurf. You can really make anything you want, so you don't have to make yourself. You can really just design any sort of character you want, but there's a lot of really small tweaks there. Like, you could see all the different freckles that were going on, the amount of freckles. There's tons of different hairstyles that you can go between, and they did a really good job with the colors. So there's the basic color wheel on top, additional colors that you can tap into. Then once you choose a color, there's different hues and shades that you can adjust between. So let's choose a more normal hair color there, and you can see all the different hairstyles. They start to have more feminine ones at the top, more masculine ones towards the middle, and then some less hair ones down towards the bottom. But there's tons of ones to choose between that all look really, really good and react to your movements. On the bottom of hairstyles, there's even an option for highlights. So depending on the hairstyle like this, choose to turn on the highlights and then choose the color for those highlights. As we keep moving through the customizer, next we have head shape, which will allow you to change things like the chin and even the age of the character. And even ones like age are very, very subtle. So those are the three here at the top. And as we get closer, you can see it's more of a rounded head, gets a little bit larger, then small little tweaks to get older, a little bit more wrinkles, and slightly larger ears. Then we'll fast forward as we go through a bunch of different other head shapes, including chins, chin sizes, chin shapes, eyes, eye color, eyebrows, eyelashes, just tons and tons of tiny little bits of customization. It very much reminds me of building my own character on The Sims, but you don't have to worry about the rest of the body. You're solely focused on the head of the actual character. Other things that you can tweak, including the eyebrows right here. The next section is going to be nose and lips. Change the nose size right on top, the lip size and fullness, as well as the different colors and tints of those lips. There is ear size, as well as earrings, and the earrings you can change the colors on, lots of basic colors for earrings, and the earrings are kind of neat because they move a lot more than like the hair does as you're moving your head, though there is not an option for putting earrings on just one ear, so it's actually on both ears. Facial hair, there's a ton of options as well. Hairstyles, facial hair, these are some of the two biggest categories for choosing between. Just small tweaks, tons and tons of options in here for creating, almost looks like a villain at this point. But yeah, lots of different hairstyles, facial hairstyles, lots to choose from. As we get close to the end, then we'll show you what you can actually do with these cool Animoji, or Memojis in this case. But we have eyewear, so glasses, monocles, changing the lenses color and the frame color. Lots of inclusive hairstyles, hijabs, cowboy hats, top hats, yarmulkes. There's lots of options in here as well. So you can really do a pretty decent job at customizing, and I can see Apple adding more to all these categories as time goes on for things that they may have not gotten the first time. Once you have a Memoji created, you can tap on the little ellipsis in the bottom left-hand corner, edit, duplicate, or remove it completely. So you do a few different options. Once you've created it, you're not stuck with it permanently. Now, as I said, it does match your movements, match your head, your tilting, your eyes, all of that stuff. But we have some new cool camera effects for right within the Messages app. when I open the camera, you can see that little effects icon in the bottom left-hand corner. There's a bunch of other different things you can do, like applying some neat filters, adding some text and other things into the air around you, but since we're looking at Animoji and Memoji, we can jump into them and it'll actually go right on top of your head as Move sits on your shoulders. It's kind of cool. It could be a little creepy maybe depending on the character, but it is pretty neat, pretty fun. This is definitely a unique experience here inside of the actual camera app, and I can see a lot of people liking this, especially if they don't like being on camera and would prefer a cartoony version of themselves instead. Mapping is pretty spot on there. You can see as I kind of leaned away, started to go out of frame as my hand kind of covers my face. There's a few times where it'll like skip for a second, but overall, it does really, really well. So I'm interested to hear what you guys think of the new Memoji Animoji. I think they're definitely pretty cool. They're definitely a little bit creepy depending on how you design them, but it's an awesome way to just create your own emoji, Animoji, use them as stickers, use them as little video clips, whatever you want to do, you can design pretty much anything. So be sure to let us know what you guys think down below in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.